Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. How are you guys doing today? I hope that you guys are doing just fine. Whoa, you guys seem so energetic today. What happened? Okay, well, because all of you guys are full of energy, let's make sure that our class are clean before we start our lesson first, okay? So everyone, please look around your seats, and if there are any rubbish near your seats, please pick it up and throw it into the trash can. Okay? Good. Yes, throw it into the trash can. Okay, everyone done? Okay, everyone, please go back to your seats. Now, I noticed that some of you love to daydreaming, especially you, Zach. I saw you staring at the wall just now. So, let's do something exciting today. Okay, so now everyone, please close your eyes. I want you guys to close your eyes very, very tight. Okay? Everyone, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Zach, close your eyes. I can see you. Okay. Close your eyes very, very tight. Okay? Okay, good. Now I want you guys to imagine that you guys are in space right now. Yes, space. Do you guys know what space is? Yes, good. So, tell me, what you guys can see in space? Anyone? Sun, good. Anything else? Yes, good. Planets. Okay, now everyone, please open up your eyes. Well, I guess you guys already know what we are going to learn today. Yes, we are going to learn about space. So I hope that every one of you bring the textbook. Do you guys bring your textbook? Zach, do you bring it today? Okay, good. Good. You're lucky today. So everyone, please turn to page 84. We're gonna read about the space. Okay. So with me, I have some pictures about, things that you can see in space. But before we look at these pictures, let's read the passage in the textbook first, okay? Okay, now everyone, let's read it together. A comet looks like a snowball, but has a tail. It is made of rock and ice. The tail is made of dust and gas, and it streams behind the comet as it nears the sun. So, to make sure that you guys know how does the comet looks like, here is a picture of a comet. You can see it's very beautiful. It's like a shooting star. Yeah, it's very beautiful, right? Okay, let's move on to the next passage. Stars. Stars are gigantic balls of hot gas. They look small to us because they are actually very far away. So, let's see how stars looks like. So, this is a picture of stars. Well, as you can see in the pictures, it's really, really small. Why? Because as it stated in the textbook, stars are very, very far away from our planet. If you can see stars in front of you guys, the stars are actually bigger than our planets. Okay, next. Planets. Planets are round-shaped objects that move around the star. They shine by reflecting the star's light. They are larger than asteroids. So let's see how does planets look like. Alright, so here is a picture of planets. As you can see, there are different types of planets. Some of them are very small, some of them are very, very big, and some of them have their own uniqueness. As you can see, this planet here, I have a ring around it. Okay, let's move to the last pages. And asteroid. Irregular shaped rocks that orbit the sun are asteroids. So, here is the picture of asteroids. Well, to make it simple for you guys to understand, asteroids are just, bunch of rocks in space. But asteroids are very, very big. If an asteroid crash to our Earth can, can be really dangerous. Okay, so yeah, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum student. My name is Sir Nazrul. Good morning. So after reading all of this, we're gonna do some exercise, a true or false exercise. So let me tell you how we will do it. First, I will show you a flashcard, and you will read it. And based on the statement on the flashcard, you need to choose between to put it in the false box or the true box. If the statement was true, put it in the true box. But if the statement is false, put it in the false box. So let's start it, okay? Let's start it with this statement. Read it with me. The star looks so small from Earth because they are far away. Let's try it again, okay? Follow me. The star looks so small from Earth because they are far away. So, is it true? Is it true? Stars are gigantic balls of hot gas. They look small to us because they are actually very far away. Is this true or false right now? Yes, it's true. So put it in the true box. So let's go to the next flashcard. Asteroids are smaller than planet. Asteroids are smaller than planet. So this is an asteroid. This is a planet. Which one is bigger? Yes, the planet is bigger. So, asteroids are smaller than planet. Is it true or is it false? Yes, it's true. Let's go to the next flashcard. A comet is made up of dust and rocks. A comet is made up of dust and rocks. So, what is comet made of? A comet looks like a snowball but has tail. It is made of rock and ice. Here it says a comet is made up of dust and rocks. Is it true? Yes, this is false. So let's go to the next flashcard. Stars are made up from Let's start again. Stars are made up of dust and rocks. Repeat again. Stars are made up of dust and rocks. What are stars made from? This is stars. There is a lot of stars in the sky, in the space. There is a lot of stars. So what are stars made from? Stars are gigantic balls of hot gas. So is it true or is it false? It's false. So let's go to the final flashcard. Planet orbit the sun. Planet orbit the sun. This is the sun, and this is all the planet. We are here, Earth. So, is it true or is it false? Planet are rounded shaped objects that move around the star. A star is our sun is a star. Yes, sun is a star. So, planet orbit the sun. Planet are rounded shaped object that move around the star. Our sun is a star, so that means, is it true or is it false? Yes, it's true. That's all from me. Let's go to the next exercise.
Hi, Assalamualaikum students. Can we continue with our lessons? Okay, great. So before that, I want you to open your textbooks, page 87. So we're going to do a little bit reading, okay? So all of you already opened your book. So let's read. So here, we're going to read about International Space Station, ISS. What is ISS? A place where astronauts stay and conduct experiments and research. What they do at space? They grow plants, they exercise, they conduct experiments. So what about grow plants? Astronauts grow their own food, yes, such as lettuce, peas, and radishes. So how about exercise? The astronauts exercise at least 2 hours daily to keep fit and avoid bone loss. So the last one is conduct experiments. Why they conduct experiments? Astronauts work with scientists to see how well the human body can adapt to different environments. So that's all for reading. So let's continue with our exercise, which is fill in the blank with suitable answer. There are the answer here that are based at the pole. So shall we continue? Okay, great. So the first one is the International Space Station, ISS, is a place where astronauts land. What they do at the space? Good job. Where astronauts stay, conduct experiments, and research. So let's continue. It functions as an experiment station. See? Conduct experiments, experiment station. So let's continue again. Some of the things they do there are what they do. Blank, blank, and blank. So raise your hand before you answer. Okay, good job. What they do? Okay, great. They grow plants. What again? What's more? Okay, they exercise. And what's the last one that they do at the space? Okay, good job. They conduct experiments. Okay, good job. Some vegetables can be grown such as blank, blank, and blank. There's 3 vegetables here. What kind of vegetables that they grew at the space? Raise your hand again. Okay, good job at the back. So what kind of vegetables that they grew? Good job. They grew lettuce. What's more? Peas. And the last one is radishes. Good job. Astronauts need to land at least for 2 hours every day to keep land. Okay, what astronaut to do for at least 2 hours? Okay, good job. They need to exercise at least for 2 hours every day. Why they have to exercise? So when I ask you, why do you exercise? Okay, you want to sweat, you want to keep fit, you want to be healthy. So same to them. Astronauts need to exercise at least for 2 hours every day to keep fit. Okay, good job. And the last one is they also work with blank to see blank. Okay, with who that they work with? Okay, good job. They work with scientists because the scientists do the research. Okay, why they work with scientists? To see what? what the scientists do, what the scientists research. Okay, good job. They work with scientists to see how humans adapt to different environment. Okay, good job. Give a big clap to yourself. Okay, so such an excellent student. You answer all the questions, all the 11 questions, and that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nizam BIT21203 and you guys can call me Sir Nizam. So since you guys have learned about space, I'm going to test your understanding regarding our topic for today. So here I have 4 different flashcards that contains the characteristic of the object in space, and I will read the question and I want you guys to guess the name of the object. So let's start. What looks like a snowball but has a tail? It is made of rock and ice. The tail is made of dust and gas. So what is the object? I'm going to ask Siti to answer this question. So what is the object, Siti? Yes. What looks like a snowball but has a tail is made of straw and ice. The tail is made of dust and gas. Yeah, the correct answer is a comet. So let's move on to the next question. What are gigantic balls of hot gas? They look small to us because they are very far away. So what is the object? Alip, you can try. Okay. What is it, Alip? Yes, the stars. Okay, let's move on to the next question. What are round shaped objects that move around the star? They shine by reflecting the star's light. They are larger than asteroid. What is it? Anyone would like to try? If not, I'm going to pick one of you. Okay, those. What is it, those? What is the object that are round shaped and move around the star? Yes, the answer is planets. Okay, let's move on to the next question. What are irregular shapes? What are irregular shaped rocks that orbit the sun? What is the object? Sarah, what is the object, Sarah? Yes, asteroid. Nice. So all of you, I think all of you understand about our lesson today. So that's all. We have come to the end of our class for today. I'm going to recap on what have you guys learned about space. Today, you already learned 4 different objects that are in space. First is comet. The second is stars. The third one is planets. And the last one is asteroid. Yes. So I will ask you guys why we need to learn about space. Anyone know? Anyone would like to give a try? Okay, nice. Ahmad, why we need to learn about space? Okay, that's a good answer, Ahmad. Fun fact about space, human already transport a lot of satellites to a lot of satellites in space. If not because of satellites, we are not going to have internet. If we don't have internet, we cannot use Google Maps, we cannot cannot play games online, we cannot play online games, and we cannot search to the internet. Okay, we cannot search anything. We cannot find the information that we want. So that is one of the reason why the space is important to us. Okay, that's all from me. I will see you guys in our next class. Okay,